Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Ernie's going to be talking about sustainable growth, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, check out the link in the description where you can find Ernie's education platform. Enjoy guys.
The dream is making tiny little wins consistently throughout the year, and then you realize that, man, I increased my account by 40, 50% this year. And then the next year you do it again. And then the next year you do it again. And the next year you do it. That's the dream. The big wins are not the dream. Nice to make a big win. And this is how I see things playing out for us, is that eventually the market is going to go through some sort of volatile event. And it will be surprising to everybody, and you'll just keep on doing the same thing, and then we'll start expanding our size really big, maybe on an NDX that's 100 wide, and yeah, one day you might make one of those six, $7,000 trades. And then hopefully, if volatility stays up there, then it might even become a regular thing. But then it will go away. That's the way it works. It'll come, then it will go. But if you can just keep on doing that steady as she goes, and you can do that year in, year out, and then compound, that's the key to all of this.
Right.
And you don't have to make a lot. Look, the one thing that you should internalize is that if you can do better than the market, which isn't that hard to do because the market averages like 12.5% a year. And with a strategy like this, you can easily modestly do 30, 40%. If you can do that year in, year out, it won't take too many years before you can really start compounding your account. But that's where you want to get. You want to get into that consistency, even if you're only at, say, 20% a year, which will really seem like a long drag out in the course of that is spectacular performance. But in a volatile year, I can see people doing 50, 60, 70, even 100%. Unfortunately, volatility has been escaping us lately. And the way the market is right now, I would say that this is actually really good training time, because if you can make any kind of profit here or just stay even, when volatility comes, it's going to seem like a dream. I'm not saying don't make any profit here. I'm saying you can make profit, but what you want to really concentrate on, especially if you're new, is not losing in this kind of market. It's the best training that there is. And the advantage that you have when you're in a low volatility market is when you're doing this type of training, you're trading super small too. So it's not like you're putting a lot at risk. It's relatively low anxiety trading. But if you get through this, that training that you get there and developing that consistency will pay huge dividends as we start getting spikes of volatility, which are going to come. Who knows when?
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the like button below. If there's any questions that you might have for Coach Ernie, make sure you leave them in the comment section. Thanks guys.